Okay. Now, when we have to start the MySQL, we have to say that sudo bash, and we have to give the password of the root. After that, we have to say service MySQL start. That will start the MySQL service. Then you have to type MySQL. So it will log in with the username. Now my purpose is to create a user. So how I can create a user? Create user. Now I have to give the username. So I'll give the TEComp as a username. And I'll give @percentile, means from any machine TECom student can log in. Okay, create user username, and user would be identified by password. So I'll give a password. The password is BBCOEW. Okay, so here I have created the user. Now the next very important thing, that we have to give the privileges to the user. I have told you that there are the 4 different types of the privileges that we can give to the user. So what are those privileges? We can give the insert, update, delete, or we can give all the privileges mentioned above to the user. Okay, so the syntax is grant, select, on, table name to username. Okay, that is the standard syntax. If you go in the grant select on sppu.instructor to the user, what is the user? The user is TECom @percentile. Okay, so it will give the privilege to the user TECom, okay, on the table instructor, and he will have only the select privilege. Now let's see how it works. So I'll exit from the MySQL. So I have exited from the MySQL, and now I will log in to the MySQL. So how I can log in with the particular username, MySQL -user. What is the name of the user? TEComp is the username. Okay, and -p. Okay, that will represent a password. So I'll write a BBCOEW is a password. Now I have logged in with the user TEComp and the password BBCOEW. Now I will use a database. What is the name of a database? SPPU is the name of the database. Now in this database I am having an instructor table. So I'll do select star from instructor. So it will select from the instructor. Now let's try to update the record. So how I can update the record on the instructor? So I'll clear, and for the instructor update, table name is the instructor, update instructor, set I have to see the columns. Okay, I will be setting the instructor name. Set instructor name equal to, I'll specify the new name, where ID equal to, I have to specify the ID 16. Okay, so I have given here the command to update the instructor, but it is not updating. It is giving me the error for the updating. Now what the error that has given? Update command denied to the user TEComp @localhost for the table instructor. Why it has given this error? Because I have logged in with the user TEComp, and to the user we have grant only the select privileges. We have not given the update or insert privileges to the user, so it will not allow those privileges. Okay, is it clear to all?